Hello, I want to book a room for next week. I need a comfortable double room for 3 nights. Could you please tell me the price per night? Does the total price include a traditional morning breakfast? I prefer a quiet room with a nice city view. Is there a swimming pool inside the hotel building? Do you have any free rooms for these dates? I would like to check in on Monday afternoon. Can I pay with my credit card upon arrival? Is it possible to get a free baby cot? What time is the standard check-in at your hotel? I will send my personal details by email today. Could you send me the booking confirmation via email? Is parking free for all guests of the hotel? I need a non-smoking room on the lower floor. Can I change the dates of my stay later? What is your cancellation policy for this standard room? Your hotel looks very beautiful on the official website. I want to reserve a space for my car. Does the room have a strong wireless internet connection? We are traveling with 2 small children this time. Is the hotel close to the central train station? I hope you have a room with a balcony. Please note that we will arrive very late tonight. Can I book a double bed instead of twin beds? Thank you for your help with this online reservation. I am looking forward to staying at your hotel. Should I pay a deposit for the room reservation? Please confirm my booking as soon as possible, please. Have a wonderful day and see you next Monday. Good afternoon. I have a reservation under my name. Here is my passport for the official registration process. I filled out the online form 2 days ago. Could you give me the key to my room? What floor is my double room located on, please? Is breakfast served in the main restaurant every day? Where can I find the elevator to my room? Can someone help me carry these heavy bags upstairs? What is the password for the free hotel Wi-Fi? Is there a safe box inside the clothes wardrobe? I need to know the exact checkout time, please. Here is my credit card for the final payment. Can I get a map of the local area? Do you need me to sign this registration paper? Is the reception desk open 24 hours a day? The lobby of your hotel looks very clean and nice. Can I order some hot food to my room? Where do I leave my car keys during my stay? Is the fitness center open for the hotel guests? I am very tired after a long international flight today. Could you recommend a good restaurant near the hotel? Here is your digital room card for the week. Your room number is 324, ma'am. The elevator is just around the corner on the left. Enjoy your stay with us at our lovely hotel. Let me know if you need any additional pillows. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning. Do you want a wake-up call tomorrow early morning? Please sign here at the bottom of this page. Thank you for choosing our hotel for your holiday. Hello, can I get 2 extra towels for my room? My room needs to be cleaned thoroughly this morning, please. Could you bring some fresh bottles of water to us? I need a laundry bag for my dirty clothes today. Is it possible to get another blanket for the bed? Can the reception staff call a taxi cab for me? I want to order a hot cup of tea online. Could you wake me up at 8 o'clock tomorrow? Where can I iron my white shirt for the meeting? Can I leave my heavy luggage at the reception desk? Is there a bicycle rental service near this place? I need a universal adapter for my laptop computer charger. Could you change the bed sheets in my room today? Where is the nearest pharmacy open on weekends, please? Can I get some ice cubes for my cold drinks? Please bring a hairdryer to room number 5. Is it allowed to bring food from outside restaurants? I need some information about the city bus tours. Could you print this important document for me, please? I want to buy a ticket for the museum. Is there a place to wash my dirty shoes here? Can you suggest a safe place for a long walk? I would like to get a soft pillow for sleeping. Could somebody help me with a television remote control? Is there any room service available during the late night? I need a small sewing kit to fix my dress. Can I borrow an umbrella from the reception desk? Where do I throw away this big plastic bottle? Could you please bring a small menu to my room? Thank you very much for your quick and excellent service. Excuse me, the air conditioner in my room is broken. There is no hot water in the bathroom shower cabin. The wireless internet connection is very slow in my room. My room key card does not work at the door. It is very noisy outside because of the heavy traffic. The toilet in my bathroom is not flushing properly today. I cannot find my small leather wallet anywhere here. The light in the hallway is blinking very strangely now. There are no clean towels in my bathroom this morning. The television screen does not show any English channels. I smell cigarette smoke in this non-smoking double room. Someone is making a lot of loud noise next door. The window in my bedroom does not close fully tonight. I think I left my expensive phone charger downstairs. The heating system is too hot for me this evening. There is a strange wet stain on the room carpet. I did not order this food from the room service. The safe box in the wardrobe is not locking properly. Could you send a technician to check my shower door? I want to change my room to a quieter one. This bed is too hard and uncomfortable for my back. The fridge in the minibar is making a loud noise. I am very sorry to complain about this bad service. We will fix this technical problem as fast as possible. Let me change your room key card right away, sir. A technician is coming to your room in 5 minutes. We apologize for the temporary inconvenience caused this morning. I can offer you a free breakfast for tomorrow. We will change your room to the 4th floor immediately. Thank you for telling us about this serious problem. Where is the breakfast buffet served in this hotel? I would like a table for 2 people near window. Is coffee included in the price of the breakfast buffet? Do you have any vegetarian options on your lunch menu? I want to order a fried egg with toast, please. Could I get some cold orange juice with my meal? Is there a children's menu for the evening dinner? What time does the hotel bar close on Friday night? This hot chicken soup tastes absolutely delicious and fresh. Could you please bring me some more black pepper? I am allergic to peanuts and all kinds of nuts. Can I have a glass of still mineral water, please? Do you serve traditional local food in this nice restaurant? Can I put this restaurant bill on my hotel room? Is it possible to get breakfast in my room early? This table is perfect for our big family dinner tonight. Could you bring us the dessert menu to look at? I prefer a cup of green tea without any sugar. Is the restaurant kitchen open until 10 o'clock tonight? We need 1 more clean fork and a knife, please. The service in your restaurant is very polite and fast. Can I get a fresh salad with olive oil dressing? Do you have any milk alternatives like oat milk here? I would like to try the special dish of today. Could you clear the dirty plates from our table, please? The bread on the table is very soft and warm. Can we sit outside on the beautiful open terrace today? I want to thank the chef for this wonderful dinner. Is there a dress code for the hotel evening restaurant? Everything was perfect, and we enjoyed our delicious meal completely. Good morning. I want to check out of my room. Here are the 2-room key cards for reception. Could you please prepare the final bill for my stay? I used the minibar only once during the week. Can I pay the bill with my electronic credit card? Is the local city tax included in this total price? I need a printed receipt for my business travel company. Can I leave my bags in the storage room today? Our stay at your hotel was very pleasant and comfortable. Could you please call a taxi to the international airport? What is the fastest way to get to the station? I hope to come back to your hotel next summer. Did I leave anything important in my double room upstairs? Your staff was very helpful during our family holiday here. Can I review the bill before I make the payment? Is there an extra charge for the late checkout today? I will recommend your beautiful hotel to all my friends. Here is the sign for my credit card payment transaction. Everything on this printed bill looks completely correct to me. Thank you for making our trip so wonderful and easy. Have a safe journey back home to your country, ma'am. Your taxi driver is waiting for you outside the entrance. We hope to see you again at our hotel very soon. Please leave a review on our official travel website page. Do you need any help with your heavy suitcases now? The storage room is located right behind the main reception. Your final receipt has been sent to your email address. It was a great pleasure to have you as our guest. Goodbye and have a very nice day ahead of you. Take care and thank you for staying with us this week.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.